Bulk upgrade of families allows to bulk upgrade project families templates to the current Revit version. In the first step, select the source folder where the selected file types are loaded from. Then select the target folder where the updated versions will be stored. Then you can also specify a prefix or suffix for the updated files. I will, for example, give the 2020 suffix so we can see this suffix in the results. Down here, I select the file types. With the checkboxes, I filter which files in the source folder will be upgraded. The tool contains also other useful functions: detach from central, diagnostics, remap paths, keep worksets, etc. I have checked only to remap paths, which is quite useful because it will update all reference paths in all referenced files in the source folder, so we won't need to edit then the paths manually. After clicking to confirm, the update is performed and we will get this result.